Oh,
now then we're back.
having a little look at belly pan for the Hornet.
BP.
And fly screen and handguards as well. They're all on there. Yeah, this 3D print we just had fitted with the brackets.
What do you reckon to it?
Pretty happy with it, yeah.
Yeah.
Personally, I think it's all right.
All right.
It's just about right, isn't it?
It's just a belly pan, mate, isn't it?
It's just a belly pan, isn't it? But yeah.
Don't get too excited, mate. It's a belly pan. Yeah.
But yeah, it fits really well, and tried a bit of a new method on it, like design wise, and I think it looks all right, really.
This is the first belly pan you've done from this in this method.
Yeah, so it's like Ermacs tend to do it like this a lot, don't they? Like with sort of 3 pieces. So the idea is it's going to be two plastic sides and then going to be a metal middle. So
Centerpiece, yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll probably paint the sides in the different colours of the bike, and the metal centerpiece will stay the same, just black.
yeah,
Powder
you've got
coating.
yellow, you've got white, grey and black bikes.
Yeah.
So we're doing all of them. We've got colour matches for all the colours. So
Here's the fly screen and the handguards.
yeah.
Fly screen looks good.
Yeah, that fly screen is just in a sort of primer grey there, and
Yeah.
some of those are getting painted at the moment, so they'll be ready pretty soon. And the handguards, when you see that in a minute, you can see that the brackets are just steel at the moment, but they'll be powder coated black as well.
Yeah.
And yeah, just a quick look at those few bits really. They'll all be. The handguards will be ready within a couple of weeks, I would imagine. Fly screen's probably more like 4, and the belly pan is just going off for tooling, so that'll be
2 to 3 months kind of job.
yeah, probably yeah.
Really. Got the seat cover in the background there as well, which we've not really talked about.
Yeah, that's very close actually. We'll have that in there.
It's a simple one, isn't it? Just a seat cover.
I think the black one will be like the raw black work version will be here in the next sort of month, basically.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Yeah.
There you go then.
Let us know
Quick
what you
update.
think. Yeah, let us know what you think of
Give
that.
us your thoughts, yeah. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers.